Hey educators, welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators, where we unlock the magic of technology to make your teaching journey easier and more impactful. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: prompts, types of prompts, and prompt engineering techniques for teachers. If you've ever wondered how to craft the perfect question or instruction for AI tools like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, or others, you're in the right place. I'll not only explain the concepts, but give you ready to use examples you can bring to your classroom right away. Let's get started. First things first, what is a prompt? A prompt is simply the instruction or question you give to an AI to get a response. Think of it like setting the tone for a conversation. You tell the AI what you want and it responds. For example, basic prompt: explain photosynthesis. Advanced prompt: explain photosynthesis to a 10th grade student using simple language and a fun analogy. See the difference? The second prompt is detailed and gives the AI a clear context, leading to a richer response. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Types of prompts: instructional prompts, direct commands. First up, instructional prompts. These are clear, straightforward commands that tell the AI exactly what you want. Think of them as your go-to tool for planning and preparation. Look at this. In seconds, we have a detailed lesson plan complete with objectives, activities, and even assessment ideas. You can tweak this to suit your classroom needs. Creative prompts for brainstorming. Next, let's talk about creative prompts. These are fantastic for when you need help with storytelling, brainstorming, or designing engaging activities. This kind of response can be the perfect icebreaker for a discussion or even a fun writing prompt for your students. Plus, it's great for sparking creativity in lesson planning. Exploratory prompts for deep dives. Third, we have exploratory prompts. These encourage deeper learning and can be an amazing resource for research-based activities. Notice how Gemini organizes the information into easy-to-understand chunks? This could be a great scaffold for helping students compare and contrast concepts, especially in science and social studies. Reflection prompts for discussions. Finally, there's reflection prompts. These are ideal for self-assessment and discussions, helping students think critically and introspectively. These types of prompts are perfect for advisory sessions or journaling activities. They promote thoughtful engagement and make learning more meaningful. What is prompt engineering? So, what exactly is prompt engineering? It's the art of crafting prompts to get the most accurate, relevant, and valuable output from AI. Think of it as teaching your AI assistant how to think like you. Here's a simple formula: objective plus context plus specificity plus constraints. Let's break it down with an example. Basic prompt: explain Newton's laws. Engineered prompt: explain Newton's 3 laws of motion to a 9th grade student. Use examples related to everyday life like riding a bicycle or throwing a ball. Notice how we set the objective, explain Newton's laws, added context, 9th grade level, incorporated specificity, examples from everyday life. This approach helps you fine-tune the output, ensuring it's actionable and aligned with your teaching needs. Formats and examples for teachers. Let's get practical. Here are 3 formats with examples you can use today. Lesson planning format. Prompt: design a 30-minute lesson plan on topic. Include objectives, activities, and an assessment. Design a 30-minute lesson plan on fractions for a 6th grade math class. Include hands-on activities and a quick quiz. Classroom discussion format. Create 5 thought-provoking questions about topic. For example, create 5 discussion questions about climate change for high school students. Ensure they encourage critical thinking. Assessment format. Generate a 10-question multiple-choice quiz on topic with an answer key. For example, generate a 10-question multiple-choice quiz on photosynthesis for 7th graders. Focus on key concepts and include correct answers. These formats save time and ensure your prompts are tailored for maximum impact. Bonus tips for educators. Before we wrap up, here are some quick pro tips for prompt engineering. Be clear and concise. Avoid vague prompts. Test and refine. Don't hesitate to tweak your prompts for better results. Use follow-up prompts. If the first response isn't perfect, ask follow-up questions to refine it. Leverage AI for differentiation. Tailor prompts for students at different skill levels. With these techniques, you'll turn AI into your best teaching assistant. And there you have it, educators. A crash course on prompts, types of prompts, and prompt engineering techniques. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And drop a comment below. How are you planning to use prompt engineering in your classroom? Stay tuned for more tech tools, tips, and tricks for educators. Until next time, keep inspiring and innovating.